What's up, y'all? JP the Install Guy here, hoping to make your install life a whole lot easier. Today we got a 2017 Subaru Outback. I'm gonna show you how to take this factory radio out. First thing you want to do is take your panel removal tool, come down here on the bottom, and you want to come down here to the back. So this bottom part right here is what's going to come out, but there's two clips. There's a clip right here and a clip right here. Now it's very tight. You want to come back here to the back part, pop that like that, come over here on this other side, pop that just like that. And that's what we're looking at. Two clips, and then you have this tab right here and that tab on the other side, and then that's going to relieve two Phillips head screws down here at the bottom. Let's go ahead and take those out. So with that out, we can come right here. Now we have that pop, we're just going to use some hand pressure and relieve the AC unit right here. And then we have two more Phillips head screws that we need to take out. Next, you want to come up here to the AC vents. Now we're going to take our little spoon, pop that right there, being real careful. Now first, when we get those first little tabs to pop, we can use our hand to use that hand pressure and pop that out. Well, that's probably why your hazard lights wasn't working. It wasn't plugged in, but you see all the clips are still intact and there are no scratches on this at all. That's going to leave us with two more Phillips head screws at the top. All right, so with all that done, we should be able to grab that radio. Disconnect some of these harnesses back here in the back. And we have this last one right here. And there we have it. The radio has been removed. Now, if you guys need to do anything as far as like change your AC controls, maybe you have a bad screen and you need to swap that radio out, or you want to change the radio to where maybe one of those Tesla screens or add a Pioneer or Alpine, I hope this radio removal has helped you in how to take this radio out. And if you found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Till next time, this is your boy JP signing out, telling y'all to keep going and keep growing and have a blessed day. Peace.